Kering sudah ready Pak. Ada Pak kalkulator. Ibu. Start like chicken procedure. Yes. This is a new hotel where we have that in Bali. Is 4-star hotel. Alright, next. In Review Hotel, their facilities are so many facilities here, like recreation, like swimming pool open for 24 hours, with sunset open 24 hours too. Private rooms open at 8 o'clock until 12 o'clock miss. And for entertainment, there are live performance music and at the restaurant miss. And there are a kids corner game room miss. And for the recreation and the room techniques with nutritionist, there are 6 room type in Living Hotel Miss. First, residential suite with a room rate 13,000 dirham plus miss, and the second one diplomatic 3 bedroom with a room rate 10,000 dirham plus, and we got executive 2 bedroom with a room rate 9,000 dirham plus, and we got panoramic suite with a room rate 7,500 dirham plus, and we got sky suite marina with a room rate 7,000 dirham plus, and the last one we got Linux marina with a room rate 5,000 dirham plus miss. Completely. Alright, we have 6 types of restaurant. First, we have International Pusat. It serves breakfast, lunch, dinner, high tea, and al al la carte. And we got Asian Retreat. It serves breakfast, high tea, and buffet menu. And we got Al Iwan that serves lunch, dinner, high tea, a la carte menu, and we got
So if I want to have
Sky Bar Marina at
sorry, William. So
serve
if I want to have
dinner, lunch,
international dinner,
high tea, and
again, can you tell me the restaurant name again for the international?
a la carte menu.
I think your camera one is. Um, Hello, William. Are you with me? Free. It's free. Maksudnya di sekelilingnya. Oh, oke. Ah, oh, tadi apa? Kamera satu. William. William. Hello. Hello.
I'm sorry, miss.
Yeah, William. William.
Yes,
William.
miss.
William. Will.
Yes,
Will.
miss.
Yeah. Yeah. Which restaurant name again for the international?
For international dish, we have is an restaurant. It serve
Sorry,
breakfast, lunch,
the name of international restaurant?
is a
Iksan. No, because I stay in nearby hotel, but I think I also want to have international food in your restaurant. So I have to know what is the name of the restaurant.
next we have six type of restaurant. We have
No, the international. International. You mentioned this now, but I forgot the name.
international is science.
Iksan. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. I will ask the security like for the direction. Okay. So the room that you mentioned is it all include breakfast?
That's all include breakfast, miss.
How about if I reserve now or tomorrow?
I'm sorry, miss.
Uh, I can it's freeze again. William, can I
I'm sorry,
if
miss.
you need to reserve your room for tomorrow, can I book directly from you?
Of course, miss. You can book before you come to the tomorrow, so
Yeah,
you can
do
book
you need like
today.
okay, do you need like guarantee for the to book the room?
Of course, miss. I need your guarantee, miss.
Because I don't have my credit card right now. I mean, I pay only cash. I think it is only yeah. I mean, I usually use for my dinner in your restaurant. So can I give your deposit later, like tomorrow, directly for checking?
So miss, but we will waiting your coming until 6 p.m. miss, and then after that we will talk to the other people, miss.
Okay, so before 6 p.m., I have to
because
arrive to make sure it's get. Yeah. Okay
that's
then.
right,
Thank
miss.
you so much for the information. I will go to your restaurant first. Then yeah. If I then after that I come to you again. Thank you, William.
All right, miss. Thank you so much, miss.
Thank you. Bye.
Miss.
Hi, William.
Miss.
Okay, so the next class will be the tourist information. Okay, so you have 10 minutes to attend it, and I will see you again. Yeah, I will come to your section. Registration is in the morning. Okay, so you
All
can
right,
start
miss.
now.
All right, miss. Good morning, miss. How may I assist you, miss?
Hi, good morning. Yes, I hope you can help me. I'm staying in your hotel, but actually this is my first time
All right, miss.
coming to visit. So I don't know where to go, and I have some free time. So I hope you can explain to me about this hotel, city.
All right, miss.
So do you know the interesting place to go?
I have recommendation to go with interesting area, miss. Just like Whitewater Water Park if you like to swimming, and there are Aqua Venture Water Park, underwater underwater lagoon, and if you like to shopping, there are three malls in around this hotel is like Mall of Emirates, City Walk Mall, Mall Dubai Mall is, and
But wow, oh okay.
Dubai.
Is it the one that the biggest mall in the world? Is it the Dubai Mall or the Emirates Mall?
The biggest mall in the world is Mall of Emirates is.
Mall of Emirates. Oh, I see. Okay, I'll try to go there like tomorrow. What time do they open?
They open for 24 hours. Is.
Oh, that's great. I never knew the mall is open 24 hours, but that is the interesting part of it, right? Okay then. So anytime I can go to the mall, yeah?
That's right, miss.
Okay. Perfect then. And what else that I can do?
You can, if you want to play golf, there are golf pits in around this hotel, miss. And there are lower miss. And if you like to take a photo shoot, you can go to Palm Jumeirah, miss. It's an
Yeah.
iconic
Is it the one
place.
that from the sky? Yeah.
That's right,
Looks
miss.
like a palm tree.
Looks like a palm tree, miss.
Ah, okay. Actually, it's nice. Is it close by there?
By this hotel, it's close, miss,
Yeah.
around 2 kilometers from this hotel, miss.
Ah, okay. It's kind of far. Okay then. What about you know that I saw in the internet and like the tallest building.
The tallest building. Yes,
Is it
the name is Burj Khalifa, miss.
Burj Khalifa? Is it the one that the Mission Impossible uh movie?
Looks similar, miss. Looks similar.
Looks similar. Okay. I want to go there. Is it open for public or just private place?
It's a private place, miss. It's a hotel. That's right, miss.
Oh, it's hotel. You cannot go up.
You can go to the restaurant to go to the up of the buildings.
Ah, okay. So we have to book the restaurant there.
That's right,
I
yes.
think the restaurant will be very expensive.
Of course, yes.
Yeah, Dubai is very expensive, yeah. Even your hotel. Yeah. And
That's right.
yeah, and the place that I saw in the internet, there is a place that you can play with the snow.
Basic
I
it
don't
is
know the
noise.
I don't know the place. Where is it? But, there is a swimming and you can play with the snow, but it's indoor.
I
I
don't
saw
know
my friend
exactly
posting
this.
pictures. Oh, you don't know? Okay, then later on I will ask my friend because I saw it in my friend's Instagram. She visited Dubai last month, and then there is a picture that she played with the snow, but it's indoor. Oh, you don't know? Okay, then I'll ask my friend then. Um, okay. Tonight I want to have a dinner. Do you have any recommendation for the restaurant? Sorry, yeah, because I just arrived last night, so I don't know what is around here. So if I want to try the local food here, so where should I go? Do you have
Alright,
any
miss.
recommendation?
Do you want local food, miss? We have
Yes, local food.
Middle Eastern restaurant, miss.
Is it in the hotel or
That's right,
we can
miss.
go outside?
In this
Oh,
hotel,
in the
miss.
hotel. Very good.
The
Okay.
name is
What is the
Iwan,
what is
miss.
the special what is the special menu that you have here?
The menu only serve Middle Eastern menu, miss. So the all menu is Middle Eastern style, miss.
Middle Eastern style. Okay. I will try it.
Alright,
Is it
miss.
nice? Do you
Absolutely
like the
nice,
local
miss.
food?
I like the local food, miss, because
Oh,
the recipe so much and it was so delicious, miss.
oh, okay. Okay then. Do I have to book or can I just go directly to the restaurant?
You have to go to our restaurant outlet, miss, because it will so crowded at night, miss. So you have to book, miss.
Okay, so how can I book? Should I call to the restaurant? Do you have the extension number that I can call from my room?
Alright, miss. I have the X station number, miss. The number is 777, miss.
Oh, 777. Instead of I'm calling from my phone, can you book for me? And because I don't know what is the nice table. Can you book the nice table for me and my husband and me?
Alright, miss. Certainly, with my pleasure, I will book your restaurant table. And I'm sorry, miss, may I know what's your name, please?
My name. My name is Tanya.
Miss Tania.
Yes.
And Miss Tania. May I spell your name, please?
Oh yeah, sure.
T for Tango, H for Hotel, A for Alpha, N for November, E for India, A for Alpha. Is that correct, Miss Tania?
Yes, that's correct. How many people probably know my name, but you correctly spelled it.
Alright, miss.
Okay.
Our dinner time at the restaurant open at 5 p.m. until 10 p.m. miss. So you can go to the outlet and go dinner miss at 5 p.m.
Oh,
until
okay.
10 p.m.
All right. All right. That's perfect. Thank you for your help. What is your name again?
My name is William miss. William Octavian
Oh,
miss.
William. Thank you so much for your help and thank you so much for explaining about it's
Alright,
very
miss.
useful for
You're
me.
welcome, miss.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Alright, okay, William. Then, so the next part will be the taking reservation. So,
Taking out reservation.
yes, taking
Alright,
reservation
miss.
by phone, yeah? Alright, thank you.
Hello, mister. That's clear, sir. Sir. Duduk, duduk. Good afternoon, Liberty Hotel Reservation. We are speaking from Xxix, sir. Sir. That's right, sir. This is Liberty Hotel.
Yes. Can I speak to someone from celebration?
Of course, sir. From Xxix, sir. This is reservation department.
Alright. I want you
Sir. May I know what that you do come to your hotel, sir?
for second half September.
2nd of November. And how about the type of room, sir? Sir? The type of room, sir? How about the type of room? Alright, sir. Alright, miss. I recommend you to take one panoramic suite room, miss, with your room rent 7,500 dirhams plus. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. My mistake, sir. I suggest you to take one panoramic suite room, miss, with, I'm sorry, sir, with a room rent 7,500 dirhams plus, sir. You only 7,500 dirhams, sir. This price. The special thing from panoramic suite room is there is a ceiling window with offering with 180 degrees view over the sea and over the city of Dubai. And the room is modern for prince and princess style, sir. So it's suitable for honeymoon style, sir.
Style. Wow.
Yes, sir. Sir.
So is this for panorama suite?
Pardon, sir.
For panoramic suite?
That's right, sir. Panoramic suite. 7,500 dirhams per sir. Alright, sir. Eh, 7,000 for panoramic suite, sir. Please wait a moment, sir. I will ask to my manager first. Is it okay or not, sir? Sir. Alright, sir. Before I think I already talked to the manager and it's possible for the price 7,000 dirhams per sir. It's possible, sir. I'm sure, sir. Not ready, sir. The price there was close by sir. I cannot say because it's hotel considered in every word, sir. Once again, sir, Mr. Norman, I will ask my manager. I'm so sorry, sir. This is our hotel procedure, and it's not allowed, sir. Alright, sir. So we take one panorama picture, sir, for one room, and you will arrive at our hotel 2nd of November, sir. I'm sorry, sir. May I know for how many percent you will stay, sir?
Five.
5%. I'm sorry, sir. Our hotel procedure only allows 2 people in one room, sir. So would you like to take extra bed? I'm so sorry, sir. How about you take diplomatic 3 bedroom, sir? There are 3 bedrooms inside, sir, so you can bring 5 people in one room, sir. I'm so sorry, sir. That's not okay, sir. Alright, sir. Yeah, I'm so sorry, sir. So how about the extra bed, sir? Alright, sir. And for how many nights, sir, you will stay, sir? For 2 nights. Alright, sir. May I know your name, please? And we'll go once. May I? I'm sorry, sir. May I spell your name, please? A for Alpha, N for November, G for Golf, E for Echo, R for Romeo, space, K for Kilo, X for Hotel, E for Echo, L for Lima, A for Alpha, Z for Zebra. Alright, Mr. Kellis. I'm sorry, Mr. Kellis. Alright, Mr. Kellis, may I know your phone number, please?
Plus
65 6699 01 Alright, Mr. Kellis, do you have any special request? That's not very small. Sure. Alright, Mr. Kellis, may I repeat your reservation, please? Alright, Mr. Under name Mr. Kellis, you already booked one panoramic suite with, and you will arrive at our hotel on November 2nd, 2021, and you will stay for 3 nights. And your phone number is plus 65 6699 017, and your special request is high floor and smoking room. Sir, is that correct, Mr. Kellis? Alright, Mr. Kellis, anything else?
Well, how about the cancellation for
Alright, sir. Our cancellation coincide when you cancel your 48 hours before you come to our hotel, it will be free, and you cancel 24 hours before the day come, it's cost half of the room price, and for cancellation on the day, it will full price, sir. Mr. Kelas, Mr. Kelas, anything else, Mr. Kelas?
so can I start my call?
Alright, sir. Thank you for coming to our hotel. We will wait for your coming, sir. Have a nice day, Mr. Kelas. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
All right. So yeah, now we are going to Indonesia. So,
Okay, William. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Sorry. Alright, so this one is about the check process. So we have 8 minutes to complete our process, right? And the situation is in the morning, yeah, 11 o'clock. Yes. Okay, so you can start now with the music.
Good morning, Miss. Welcome to Leisure Hotel Dubai. How may I assist you, Miss?
Hi, good morning. Oh, very nice hotel. I want to
Thank you, Miss. I'm sorry, Miss. Our check-in the procedure at 3 p.m., Miss, and it's still 11 o'clock, Miss, and the check-in time is not open yet, Miss. I'm so sorry, Miss.
Okay. So where should I go?
You can go to you can go to our restaurant or waiting at the lobby, Miss, until 3 p.m.
Oh my God, now it's 11 o'clock. So, 1, 4 hours?
4 hours, Miss. I'm so sorry, Miss.
4 hours I have to wait. Okay.
Yes, sir, Miss.
Oh, but really, I'm so tired. I just arrived from that.
I'm so sorry, Miss. If you want to take
Oh
in,
God.
if you want to take in at 11 a.m., you have to charge, Miss.
Oh, I don't want to pay extra because I pay a lot of money already.
I'm so sorry, Miss. This is our hotel procedure, Miss. I'm so sorry, Miss. You already booked, Miss.
Of course, I booked already.
May I know your name, Miss?
Okay, so please check for me because really my company booked for me already. Oh my God, it's making me stressed already.
I'm so sorry,
Okay.
Miss.
Yeah, because you told me that I have to wait for 4 hours. Yeah.
This is our hotel procedure, Miss.
Okay, can you check for me? Yeah.
I'm sorry, Miss. May I know your name, please?
Yes. My name is Tanya Shasta.
Sanya So.
Yes, Shasta is my life.
I'm so sorry, Miss. How do I know your name, please?
Tanya. Tanya. Tanya is my first name.
Alright,
Shasta
Miss.
is my life name.
Alright, Miss Tanya. I got your reservation, Miss Tanya. Underneath Miss Tanya Sales Drop, you already booked one Sky Suite, and you come by Travel Agent, that's right, Miss?
Yes, actually my friend has been.
Alright, Miss Tanya. So how about the check-in, Miss?
Yeah, I want to check it now.
I'm so sorry,
How?
Miss. Thank you so much.
But I don't want to wait for 4 hours here.
If you want to check in at 11 o'clock, you have to charge the recharge minutes. Sorry.
Okay. But what's the earliest check-in that I can get? Which one? But you won't tell me at 3 o'clock. That's wrong.
I'm so sorry. This what moment is, maybe I will check the system. Is your room is already vacant or not, please?
Okay. Alright. Check for me.
Alright, Miss Tanya, thank you for waiting. You are lucky you can check in now.
Oh, that's uh,
Alright, please.
okay. So what do you need now?
I need your credit card, please, miss.
Okay. You can find me my passport. I don't have a local ID.
Of course, miss. Excuse me, miss.
Passport.
Excuse me, miss. This moment, miss, I will copy your passport.
Alright.
Excuse me, miss. Welcome, please.
Oh, thank you. Very nice of you. Oh.
Alright, Miss Tanya, thank you for waiting. This is your passport.
Thank you so much.
Alright, Miss Tanya, may I know your phone number, please?
Okay, my phone number actually, I have a local number, so it's 971
90. I'm sorry, miss. Pardon me, please.
971
971
50
15 Alright, Miss Tanya, would you like to have your signature, please?
Okay, this is the
And here's the pen. This is Curtis. That's right, miss. Alright, Miss Tanya, thank you so much. Anything else, Miss Tanya?
yeah, it's like what so that I will get
I'm sorry, miss. Pardon me, please. I already prepared you a smoking room, miss, so no need to be worried, miss.
Perfect. Okay. Very nice.
Alright, miss. Please, one miss, I will prepare your gift card.
Sure. Okay.
Alright, Miss Tanya, thank you for waiting. This is your gift card. You will stay at room number 1005, and this is your key card, and this is your breakfast voucher. You can show this voucher to our waiter and waitress at the restaurant miss tomorrow morning at Xxix or International Kitchen Miss, open at 6 o'clock until 11 o'clock.
Okay. All right.
Alright, miss. Good. Alright, Miss Tanya, would you like to escort by our bellboy, please?
Sure. Okay. I have a lot of luggage.
Alright, miss. Bellboy, please. Alright, Miss Tanya, this is our bellboy, Mr. Johan, and he will escort you to your room. And Mr. Johan, please escort Miss Tanya at room number 1005, and here is the guest card. Alright, Miss Tanya, anything else?
Yeah. I think that's all. But thank you so much for helping me for everything.
You're welcome, Miss Tanya. Alright, Miss Tanya, thank you so much for staying at our hotel. We will hope you enjoy with us. If you need assistance, just dial 111 to our reception and 0 to our telephone operator, Miss Tanya. Have a nice, Miss Tanya. Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon. Okay. Dulu ya. Oke. Terima kasih. Bang baik sekali. Ya. Oke. Checking out sudah. So the next one will be check out.
Check out.
Kontak baik Pak. Jalan ya.
Alright.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Surya.
sir.
So we have to check out process.
Again, sir.
So for checkout process now,
Okay, sir. Alright, sir.
So please starting from green.
Good morning, sir. How may I assist you?
Hello, good morning. I was check out this.
I'm sorry, sir. May I know your room number, please?
Remember, for the I don't know.
Alright, sir. May I know your name, please?
My name,
That's right, yes, sir.
Berjuang.
Mr. Gonzalez. Please wait a moment, sir. I will check your reservation. The bill, I'm sorry.
Actually, after my wife.
Alright, sir. I got your bill.
Tell me what's your name?
My name is William, sir.
Can you show me the camera?
Alright, sir.
Show me the perhotelan. Show me
Yes, sir.
the
Oh, alright, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
never mind. Show me like this.
I'm sorry, sir. Please wait a moment. I will find the
Okay,
details.
show me the process. Okay. No worries. Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. Have you taken breakfast?
I'm not breakfast yet. I'm hungry.
Okay, sir. You can go to our restaurant in Seoul outlet or distraction. Sir, what's your experience during staying with our restaurant?
Korea? Oh, that's very nice. And overall, like, so for your hotel, that's good.
Thank you, sir.
You know, with your for us.
Sir. This is your advisor
Yeah, show me that.
under name Maria Gonzalez.
Your name? Closer. Okay, that's right. All right.
Alright, sir. Would you like to represent, sir, please?
Come again, sir.
Would you like to represent, sir, please?
Signature.
Signature, sir.
Signature. Let me check. Check my film. Okay. I have an email here.
That's right, sir.
Wrong.
Maybe your wife has a dinner, sir? That's right, sir. Alright, sir. How about the payment, sir?
Should I give you yes again?
You already paid when you check in, sir?
I already give you money on the road, right?
I'm sorry, sir. Would you show me your official receipt, sir?
I love the usually like sorry.
I'm so sorry, sir. You have to pay cash because you already lost your receipt, sir.
What? I should pay.
You have another. You have another.
what but yeah, for also the paper.
Okay, sir. I'm so sorry for my mistake.
Yeah, not good.
Okay, sir. Anything else, sir?
So yes, still not yet, but okay. Let's see what I am.
And so,
Okay, we have just going to end the document.
okay, sir.
Bye.
Good afternoon, miss. How may I assist you?
I'm Samuel from the one.
Alright, miss. Yeah.
Okay.
What happened, miss?
Yes, you need to help me. You know, your swimming pool is closed. I just checked just now. I checked it last night, and no one mentioned to me that your swimming pool is closed.
I'm so sorry,
Why?
miss.
I mean, they just only mentioned that it is under maintenance for until further notice.
I'm so
What's
sorry,
your,
miss, for
I mean,
our mistake.
what, your mistake?
Because, yes, miss, for our mistake.
Yeah, you
Because,
are the one who checked the in, right? You also didn't inform me last time.
no, I'm so
If
sorry,
I know
miss.
that this hotel swimming pool is closed, I will not reserve this hotel.
I'm so sorry, miss. How about I settle you to the white body water park, miss, for for the mistake?
No, that is different. That is too public for me. You know,
I'm so sorry,
I
miss.
have a special kids. I mean, they are very sensitive. Their skin is very sensitive. I don't want to send them in the public uh, park like that. I want more private. I also don't know what is their treatment in that water park. I want hotel swimming pool.
I'm so sorry, miss.
Do you know
Uh,
that your swimming pool is closed?
I know, miss, too. But
Why don't you inform me earlier?
the
Even the
engineering
one I,
said,
I made reservation, no one informed me also.
I'm so sorry, miss. But the
Which
engineering
is sorry,
said,
sorry, but I'm here already with my three kids.
miss, how about
What do you want?
you
Are
go
you laughing
to,
me? Do you think this is not serious?
no, miss, I'm not laughing, miss.
Okay, can you give me some solution?
Alright, miss.
I want
We
to swim,
have
but I don't want to have a public swimming pool, okay?
we have a private beach, miss, behind this hotel, miss. Private
No,
beach.
I want private. I don't want, I mean, my kids is very small. They are all under 5 years. I don't want
Alright,
to.
miss.
I mean, this is for their safety.
I'm so sorry, miss.
Can you provide me like, can you give me a free access or something to go to another hotel and use their pool?
Miss, I will call to the record to see if any hotel that open
But
swimming
I
pool,
don't
miss.
want if I go there to I saw a hotel nearby. So which hotel you want to send me?
I will
Which
send
hotel?
you to Burj Al Arab swimming pool, miss. Is it okay, miss?
No, which Arab? That is 3-star hotel. I don't want. I want 5-star hotel swimming pool.
I'm so sorry, miss. Maybe I
Can you
will.
give me another 5-star hotel? Can you please check? I don't want to. I don't want to be abused here. Let's say I come there and you don't give me a booking, so I don't want to be abused. Okay?
Alright, miss. How about
Please
I
call.
set? I'm sorry, miss. You should know. Would you like to settle to Atlantis Hotel, miss?
Atlantis Hotel. Oh,
Yes, I think.
in Indonesia, Atlantis Hotel. not even have a star. Is it good hotel?
It's a good hotel, miss. The swimming pool is so big, just like a water park. 5-star hotel, miss.
Okay, that is better then.
Alright, miss.
Do I have
So,
to wait?
no,
So
right now I will.
sorry, I stay for 5 nights.
Yes. Of course, miss. I will serve you some of surprise to Atlantis Hotel, miss, and you will go to the swimming pool for the miss. It's around 5 kilometers from here, miss. There is 7 minutes, miss. 7 minutes. Alright, miss. I will call the driver now to shuttle you to Atlantis Hotel. Alright, sir. Alright, miss. If you don't know, miss, I will call the driver and I will maybe call. That's right, miss. That's right, miss. I'm so sorry, miss. Alright, miss. Right, sir. Select the spot our guest and come to the please. Alright, miss. This is our driver, Mr. Joseph, and he will shuttle you to Atlantis Hotel. And right now, miss. And how about this? Alright, miss. With my pleasure. Mr. Joseph, please wait, miss. Please wait our guest. We shuttle our guest to Atlantis Hotel and wait until they finish have a swimming, please. Alright, miss. Our driver allows this, miss. Alright, miss. For alright, miss. Thank you so much, miss. I'm so sorry for our mistake, miss. And once again, alright, miss. And I'm okay, miss. Okay. Alright, miss. Alright, miss. Yes. The single occupancy at 19.118%. For by 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 count the available room and multiply it with 121. The student is thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Miss.
Ya, cium ya kakak cium. Aduh. Oke. Oke tuh ya. Karena dari tadi kamu faithful banget ya. Kompleks apa. Faithful banget ya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Miss. Saya juga appreciate.
Aduh, ya. Oke. Tetap semangat ya kamu hasilnya, kamu juga nangkep kamu juga. Thank you.
Thank you. Lupa? Masih, Pak. Sudah, Pak.
Lift. Disuruh lift.
Nggak disuruh deh.
Jadi?
Ditaruh ke waiting list.
Oh, mereka yang buat waiting list kan? Iyalah. Oh, udah.